वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून माय डियर फ्रेंड। आज हम बात करेंगे क्रॉस कंटामिनेशन के बारे में। जी है, ये एक क्रॉस कंटामिनेशन ऐसा चीज है जिसके लिए बहुत सारे कंप्लेन रेज हुआ है होटल इंडस्ट्री में। जैसे रॉ कुक और रेडी टू ईट फूड अब एक साथ में रख देता हो तो बैक्टीरिया एक से दूसरा खाने में चला जाता है, तो इसमें क्रॉस कंटामिनेशन हो जाता है। रेस्टोरेंट में पका हुआ खाना आप रखे हो, बहुत टाइम से रखे हो, उसमें बैक्टीरिया आ गया और जो खाना अभी रेडी हुआ है उसके साथ में अगर वो क्रॉस कंटामिनेशन में आ गया तो उसका बैक्टीरिया उसमें चला जाता है। तो आज हम बात करेंगे व्हाट ऑल आर द प्रिवेंटिव एक्शन वी नीड टू टेक फॉर क्रॉस कंटामिनेशन एट ए रेस्टोरेंट। I'll tell you exactly. Keeping raw food separate from ready to eat food and cleaning the surface thoroughly to prevent the spread of bacteria, which is very important at a restaurant. A cross contamination happen when a harmful bacteria or any allergen transfer from one food to another food or another person or one person to another. Preventing it is essential for food safety. If you are not doing any preventive action, so it is harmful for the food safety policy. I'll tell you what all are the methods to prevent cross contamination at a restaurant. You have to separate the raw and cooked foods. You have to store raw meat, poultry and seafood separately from cooked or ready to eat food. Keep raw items on the bottom slabs of the fridge to prevent the drips. Alright, you have to use separate equipments. Use different chopping board and knives for raw meat or cooked food like vegetables and the allergens. There is a color code chopping board is going to help you to prevent the cross contamination, like red for raw meat, green for vegetable chopping board like this. I'll tell you proper hand washing also can help you for cross contamination. You have to wash hand before switching the task, like especially after handling the raw meat, touching money, waste or different, using the phone, then again you are coming to cook the food or touching the raw meat. After that, what you have to do? You have to sanitize your hand when you need, but do not replace that sanitizing your hand with your hand washing policy. You have to follow your hand wash policy properly. Clean and sanitize the surface. You have to regularly wipe down your work table, cutting board, utensils and food contact surface with approved sanitization or any sanitizer. You have to clean spills immediately. Wherever the food got spillage, you have to clean that immediately. You have to safe storage practice. You must know what is your storage practice. You have to use covered. Always there has to be labeled. All the container for food item is kept in your store. You have to maintain correct temperature zone. You have to keep that particular food in a correct temperature zone, like cold foods below 5 degrees centigrade, hot food above 60 degrees centigrade. The same things also serving. Whenever you are serving, you must know what temperature you have to serve the food. You have to avoid touching ready to eat food. Like food is ready, the food must be going to the table now. Someone will come and pick up, but you are touching. No. If you are touching, you have to use gloves or you have to use the tongs, ladle or any service spoon. You cannot put your finger there. You have to change your gloves frequently, especially after touching the raw food. You have to change the gloves. Proper staff hygiene, what I told you before as well as proper staff hygiene is very important to keep uniforms very clean, and you have to tie back your hair and you have to avoid your jewelries in the kitchen or in the restaurant that can fall into the food. So that can be a major complaint for the guest, which is cannot be avoided. Okay, you must know about the allergen control, how to control all the allergens in the kitchen or in the restaurant. Always you have to use separate utensils for the allergen containing dishes. Like if somewhere guest is allergen to the nuts, so you have to avoid using the dishes which is just now cooked with nuts. You have to wash it properly, or you can keep a separate utensils for that. Okay, you have to clean surface through between all the allergen related tasks. Waste management. Waste management is very important for a restaurant or kitchen operation. Like you have to dispose of all the waste regularly. Keep a garbage bin covered always. Okay. Otherwise, it can be anything can become on the food preparing areas. Or like you have to avoid the overcrowding in the kitchen. Everybody is standing and discussing. Okay, I also will go. Oh, what is happening? It is not like this. If there is a crowd, avoid to go there in the kitchen. Okay. Always you have to maintain good workflow to prevent raw and cooked items from mixing. You have to follow all the cleaning process as you can. So this is very important for a waste management. So I am telling you, these all are the points you have to follow for maintaining a kitchen thoroughly. Thank you so much for watching the Hospitality Days channel and bearing this much time with us. Kindly subscribe our channel to learn more about hotel line, more videos. Thank you.